Hello everyone, I will make a salad for you today. First, I chop the lettuce that I have washed before and put in the bowl. Then I chop the green onion that I washed before. And I put the green onion in my bowl. Then I chop the cucumber into small pieces. After I put them in my bowl, I grate the carrots. After grating the carrot, I cut the tomato into small pieces. Then I mix the ingredients in the bowl and add corn on top. Finally, I add oil and salt and mix.